IFB102 Mini-Project using the Raspberry Pi, and basically I've chosen to use computer vision to read barcodes and basically place them into a CSV file, which then gets uploaded to Dropbox, mostly using Python. And the two libraries I've used mainly is OpenCV and Zbar or PyZbar for Python. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is actually start the virtual environment. So now we're in the virtual environment for this particular project. And then I'll just show you first actually. So we're in the correct directory, so there's just those two files in there at the moment, the Python script and the barcodes CSV, which it will place the scanned barcode information into. And if I just cat that file first, whoops. So you can see that there's nothing actually in that file. And likewise, if we were to open the actual data, you can see there in a GUI, you can see that there's nothing in that file. And also there is nothing in my Dropbox. Okay, so now let's run the Python script. Okay, so it just takes a second to actually start the video. There we can see, I'll just bring it up over here so it's easier to see. And it actually works better with, so it's automatically grabbed it. It will only store the barcode once. And although in later iterations I would like to basically make it store, add a value to the list, so it can be like a shopping list rather than just storing the data once. Okay, so we hit Q to stop. It senses that key. As soon as we do that, it runs through the rest of the script and synchronizes it with Dropbox, so we can see that the file has appeared here. And also the file, if I cat that same file again, you can see that the data has been placed in there and it's uploaded that same file to Dropbox. And if we open that file again, we can see that the data is actually in here now as well, in the GUI. So one thing, what I was saying before, is that I'd like to actually add, instead of maybe have an extra column in here and add a 1 every time it scans the same barcode twice, so it actually indicates how many there are of that item. And also in future iterations, future improvements, I'd like to not just have a CSV file, but actually use a database or something that actually interfaces with an online shopping list, or potentially even orders food for you. And that's pretty much it.